And here we have, ladies and gentlemen, the main event of the evening.
Can you believe the action we're seeing today?
I cannot, but I can never believe what I see at visiting time in the Asylum. You saw that! You saw that! You saw that! You saw that! He once, I can tell you this, I don't know about him selling out, but he once sold a load of pens at school and got in a lot of trouble for it. I personally would have applauded him for his entrepreneurial thinking. But no, I got a call from his school, your son's been selling pens. Selling pens, I ask you.
He's Italian patron, isn't he? He's only young.
Earlier this week, it was announced that the Theodore was still running and guaranteed to make a return title match. So here's my announcement of the participation today.
Having a bit of microphone problem.
I mentioned how it really works out, idiots. It's so lightning! You're an idiot! So say it out! I believe in you! I respect you! And you crack my heart!
This is my trick. Wait for him to come out and then blindside the little bugger.
Watch out!
This is the learning.
The blindside the bugger trick! God, look at Marcella. Sorry, what? I was watching Marcella. Sorry, what happened?
You know you were watching Marcella. No! The bell hasn't even rung yet.
So I got sidetracked.
I know you've got sidetracked. You also got front tracks. Back track, sidetrack.
Which one of these men am I going to be facing on the 22nd of March in Mitcham at Spring Stampede? This match will decide that.
Lightning is currently wrestling like lightning.
It is indeed. Theodore looking to be outmatched here by the British County Champion. Big drop kick takes him down.
Tries to whip him away like that. And he missed! He missed!
Did you forget how to wrestle? Again!
And yes, it's another member of the administration!
A big forearm in the corner. Either way, this is like homework for me. Watching this, and he takes Todd down. Locks on, nice.
Hold number one! He's still got it on as well.
Todd grabbed the sideburns, I think. Scary. Marcella quite simply telling Todd, you're rubbish. There's no need for that. There's no need for that sort of language.
You don't quite get it.
I think he's just a bit bitter that Marcella is no longer friends or associated with him.
I thought she was just his manager.
She was, but they were obviously friends as well.
Interesting maneuver there.
It is indeed.
But it's the era of ours.
I can't deny that.
An interesting move. He's still got a face lock on there. Taking down several moves at the moment.
It would be foolish of me not to. Either one of these men will be my opponent on the 22nd of March at Spring Stampede in Mitcham. Details of which can be found at www.bcw.co.uk.
Do you really need the page on Marcelo?
Well, you shouldn't be looking. To be honest, this is my note taking. You shouldn't be reading this.
I'm just saying, those pictures are a bit graphic.
Well, I was about to say that is a good picture though. You can imagine that's what they look like.
It's a very good artistic impression. As you can see there, Theodore powers your ball up, Lou. Going for an interesting leg submission there. It almost looked like he was trying for the British League and then changed it up slightly. Trying to show some initiative.
This is smart wrestling. Theodore, if he takes out one of Joel's legs, be it his right leg as he's working on now, or his left leg, he won't be able to use his speed against him.
He won't be able to strike him with lightning.
Digging that knuckle into the right patella there. Crowd getting behind Joel. Marcelo getting behind Joel. I'd like to get behind. I'm going to stop that sentence right there.
I told you, stop reading that sheet about Marcelo and read more about your notes about Joel and Theodore.
There's no need for that. That's what happens when you take your eyes off your opponent. Don't get distracted no matter how beautiful the lady outside the ring may be. About where I landed.
Or maybe their grandchildren.
Well, I'm not too bothered about that. I hate kids. Except when I love kids. But I shouldn't talk about that.
Joe just went head first there. Ouch!
Get back in the ring,
He used the wall, but I heard the wall was dead as well. With malice.
A new attitude of this. Hey! That I will not stand for. No more of that.
Only a name.
This is disgusting behaviour. Go on, Joel! I can understand wanting to put your hands on her, but not in that manner.
I do notice on your notes for Theodore Powers, your son, it says smack.
That's because the boy deserves a smack. Syndrome there, ladies and gentlemen, reminding himself of his name before hitting the move.
Kick to the back of the head as well there.
Good to see his funny taking some advice from my book about his nonchalant pins. Looking both legs there.
He has been learning.
He has indeed. You can't say he hasn't. I mean, look at his new attitude.
I mean, what else have you learned stuff like this?
He has learned not to give a damn what the crowd think, but to do what he has to do to get a match won.
I assume you could learn more about this sort of stuff by doing it at ECW.co.uk and learn about the training school.
You can indeed.
Learn these tricks of the trade. Learn these tricks of the trade. Whether it be baddie stuff or goodie stuff. And we all know
for everyone.
We all know that goodies are goody yum yum.
Next county champion!
Stan Powers, next county champion. He's not wrong there, ladies and gentlemen.
What's that to the top floor?
Is this the second moonsault of the evening we're going to see?
There's a chance for Marcelo.
And he's going to move up on the top out of his feet. Feet drop kick down from under him. It's coming up to 6 o'clock. I'm not sure what the reference to the time was. Short drop kick there.
And apparently this crowd can count to 10.
It's just strange that most of our referees don't seem to be able to.
It's hard enough to get them to count to 3. The big leg! Only a 2 for Joel Lightning. What does he have to do to beat this person?
He's going to have to dig down deep. He's a tough little bastard, this Theodore.
Can you say that?
I can. I was his mother at the time of his birth. Legally, he is a bastard.
Okie dokie. Take that. Ofcom. Second floor. Not anymore.
Come on into the second. Big splash. Could this be your taking the toe? No. Theodore kicks out.
How did he kick out of this stuff? Oh! He went up! Rodney was about to strike! But he didn't! Power cut!
This is going to be a new champion.
Counties champion again and get a guaranteed match, Spring Stampede.
He's the British Counties champion for a reason. He's missed the road. What's going on?
She kicked him in the ass!
No.
What is going on? What? What's going on? Taking Marcella away from Stan House, who actually saved her.
I'll see you. That's Spring Stampede.
What? Who? What? Why? Where? How? Spring Stampede, the 22nd of March. Those two will be in a match for the British Counties Championship.